Hi, everyone, and welcome to day 69 of the Feathered Quest. Our bird of the day today is the house finch. House finches were originally only found in Mexico and the western U.S., but were introduced in New York in 1940 as pets known as Hollywood finches. Unable to sell them all, they were released, and over the next 50 years, they spread across almost the entire eastern USA and southern Canada. Let's go find that daily feather. Thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?